YouTubelicious. What's going on? Yeah, awesome, mate. I know. I've been up for a while. Couldn't sleep. 4:30 in the morning I got up and I heard a commotion. I heard a drum solo. No, but I did hear something that sounded like a raccoon or some kind of masked intruder in the backyard. Anyways, I went away to the States for the weekend, which was freaking nice. And my buddy decided, oh my god, since I guess I was snoring, as I like to say in the streets, you were sawing logs last night. Guess we got enough firewood. Well, indeed. Anyways, so he taped the audio of me snoring. So there's an audio clip of me snoring. Oh my god. I'm a monster. What's... Why? I'm so ashamed. I don't know what could be worse. Sex tape being leaked or audio of me snoring being leaked. Chillax, there's no sex tape. Anyways, you wish. So got the audio of me snoring. It's pretty fucking brutal. So I have it downloaded and I'm gonna try to get the audio for you guys. So I'm gonna try to attach it, but it's like a .amr file. What the hell is a .amr file? Seriously, tell me. Go wiki it up. Wiki that shit up. I know I've heard of like WAV, WMV, MP3, FLC, FLAC files, but ARMV or yeah, it's weird. Anyways, let me go look it up, and yeah. So hope you enjoy this at my expense. Oh boy, here it comes. I don't know if it's gonna be followed by a black screen and just audio. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but if it doesn't work, I'll send you the link via the description down below, and you click the link and then hear the glory of it's comforting like a babbling brook. It's gross. Anyways, here is me snoring